is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr and Outbound Faxes. So we use SR Fax to send faxes. They're HIPAA compliant, and because a big proportion of faxes are in the medical profession. Okay, so from our programs here in WorkMovr, choose fax, send a new fax. Then we have the fax pop up, picks up the fax number of this guy David Talbot, which is me, and the formatted fax number here. And then I just put in some sort of cover text here, just to show the text. And then you can attach PDFs, okay? Because usually you're going to send a fax and you're going to want to attach like a copy of an invoice or something like that. So I attached a Caspio comparison chart, okay? Then send, okay? And it goes to SR Fax. So we use Caspio REST APIs to link into SR Fax and establish the fax in SR Fax, but it hasn't actually gone anywhere yet because SR Fax is a queuing system. So it just shows that it's queued, waiting for a new phone line to be sent, okay? And then a few moments later here, we can see that it's been sent, and then you can look at the fax in SR Fax that's been sent, and you can see here the cover sheet, and the second page will be the attachment. So what we do is we take the cover sheet text and the attached, and you can do multiple PDFs. And as we said in the document section, we put all documents in Amazon AWS, and then it's pretty easy to actually merge multiple PDFs together. So SR Fax only actually gets a single PDF from us, even though it's made up of really two PDFs that we merge together. And then SR Fax sends like a completion notice that is actually successful, because remember, it may be trying to send the fax, but the fax machine at the other end is busy or turned off or something like that. So SR Fax does 3 retries, and it sends an acknowledge of successful delivery. But actually, in another video, I'll show you that we have our own delivery crosscheck, and we give a notification if the fax is a failure. Okay, so thanks very much then. Bye-bye.